One of the most extraordinary works of art here in Siena is Nicola Pisano's pulpit, located inside of Siena Cathedral, which he carved in the year 1265. While Nicola Pisano is not a household name, he was the greatest sculptor of the 13th century and one of the greatest in history. In fact, I would put him along the line of Donatello and Michelangelo and Bernini. And his pulpit here in Siena Cathedral is octagonal. 7 of the sides contain marble relief sculptures illustrating scenes from the life of Christ. The 8th side, the actual opening, where the priest could enter in to, of course, either read scripture or deliver his sermon. And the innovations that Pisano introduces here are revolutionary. He's the first artist in absolute in the post-classical world to worry about drama and action and space and an effective narrative, which essentially makes these scenes as entertaining as they are beautiful. You need only look at the Adoration of the Magi, where Pisano has clearly captured the sense of motion as these kings ride their horses. Or the Crucifixion, where we can clearly see the physical agony of Jesus Christ with that hyper-extended torso, that gaping mouth. We can almost imagine hearing the asthmatic gasps of breath as Christ breathes his last. And to your lower left-hand side, this image of a fainting Virgin Mary. The drama is nearly overwhelming. And the fact that Pisano was creating it in the middle of the 13th century makes it literally incredible. So if you're in Siena, be sure to stop by Siena Cathedral so you can enjoy Nicola Pisano's extraordinary pulpit. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here directly in Italy and publishing weekly.